Welcome back to EDS, and in this video we are going to take a look at an 0 DTE SPX trade that we placed on Friday and made a very nice amount of money on in a very short amount of time. And we're going to do a little deep dive on that. So first thing we want to do is let's just take a look at our Discord, because obviously everything goes in our Discord, all the positions. So we placed the SPX iron condor. These are the strikes. September 6th expiration, collected $2.45. So let's just mock up that position. So I was on SPX. This is the order chain here. So this is the original position. Cool. This is the iron condor that we put on, and I can tell you when we put it on at around about this kind of time-ish area, around these candles here. This is when we put the position on. So as you can see, at the time of putting the position on, we sold this iron condor and we were smack bang in the middle of the range. And what happened thereafter was perfect for us. We never had any troubles. Price was perfectly well behaved, went up a little bit, down a little bit, but basically stayed sideways, did not move anywhere. And this was a very, very beautiful position that went our way from the beginning. So let's have a look at this position. So we collected $2.45. It's a $5 wide spread. This is basically pretty much $2.50. It's a $5 wide spread. So we risked $2.50 to make $2.50, and in the space of about 4 hours, we actually made $245, or near enough $250 in profit. Which was beautiful. On Friday, IV was very high. So with this position, obviously we put this position on during the day. The position expired worthless by the end of the day. So we kept 100% of the profit. We did not leave this position early or anything like that. We kept it till expiration. There's only a couple of hours left anyway. Taking profits early becomes less and less significant the closer you are to expiration. So just wanted to highlight that this was a very nice 0 day to expiration trade on SPX. If you want to get involved on positions like this, then by all means, you can get access to our Discord. Everything is posted in our Discord. The way you can get access to that is by signing up to EDS Premium. Of course, you get access to the Discord. Inside the Discord, you get access to all of our portfolios, small and large portfolios. So it doesn't matter where your portfolio is, there'll always be positions for you to copy. There is a full course as well, so there is no prior knowledge required. We will teach you everything you need to know so you can learn and earn at the same time. And of course, you can collaborate with other like-minded individuals as well as speak to myself directly. There is a 100% money back guarantee. So if you study that full course for 6 months and followed our trades for 6 months and haven't been profitable, then we'll work with you for free until you are, or you can request a full refund. So it's completely risk-free on your part. Right now, it's £1 a month. The price will be increasing, but whatever price you get in at, you're locked in at that price. So you never have to worry about future price increases. You are rewarded for getting in early. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the inside.